Do everything with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. This is Garrick Brown Art Studio, and I'm so happy to be talking to this amazing human being on the other side of the screen, and that is you, baby. So listen, we are doing a bloom, and I'm revealing a secret. If we haven't met, welcome to the Feel Good Painting Station, where we have a lot of fun, we love, we laugh, and we just have a great time. We're gonna jump right in, but before we do, I want to mention my new website, www.garrickbrownartstudio.com. Check me out, crash the internet, and grab you a couple goodies, and we're gonna be off into this painting session. All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we are doing another pour. But I want to go over some secrets with you. We are using our bloom recipe, which is a 3-to-1 ratio. The information will be in the description. But today we're going to focus on the swirls. If you've seen my videos over the course of the previous year, you know that I've done a lot of blooms, but the swirls really add some depth and dimension into your blooms. So here you can see that I am pouring my paints out, and right here you see where these colors overlap each other. Now, a big secret to this is I like to use opaque or semi-opaque or semi-transparent colors. It really helps with holding those shades as you blow out, because those colors are going to thin down because we're blowing the bloom out. And so we really need the colors to hold up. These swirls aren't necessary to create great blooms. I have just found that it is something that works for me in achieving a lot of depth. I enjoy my pillow paint popping through, but one thing to remember is as you do your swirls, the more of the pillow paint that you allow to shine through, the more chances that it will pop up. So you have to be careful when you're blowing out because you don't want too much pillow paint, but as you'll see here, the pillow paint really adds a nice change in the center of the blue. And as you can see, the swirls are not just good for the bloom itself or the center of the bloom, it's also gorgeous for the outside and the corners. You can create some crazy corners, and what I like is with the swirls, a lot of times you will highlight all the colors. So Sometimes a balloon may eat up a particular color, but when you have the swirls that are on the outside of your balloons that don't quite get blown out, typically you will see all the colors. Like here, you can see that gorgeous iridescence that I placed at the bottom. And when we put a nice coat of resin on this bad boy, that iridescence is really going to show through. So you may not see a lot of iridescence in the center of the balloon, but you'll see little peaks of it on the outskirts with these swirls. And we're going to take things for a little spin here. You never know what you'll get with fluid art. And here I am doing a final inspection, just making sure I got everything and don't see anything that needs any attention. Woo-wee, look at these gorgeous colors. Look at the effect, you guys. You can see that gold has mixed in with the cell activator. And just check out those waves of swirls of colors. It's just mind-boggling, the possibilities with fluid art. Check out these corners and the beautiful swirls and the effects that we got here. I really love the way this looks. Once again, family, thank you for tuning in with me. As always, remember, do everything with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. And I'll see you in another video very soon.